What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another quick episode here on 5-Star Cars, the car discussion channel here on YouTube, where I just give my thoughts and opinions about what is going on in the car community. And today's quick episode, we're just going to be covering DD's most one of the more recent videos. They finally have gone away and gotten a HQ. That's all we're going to be covering. I will be just doing kind of these short videos just for a while. And if you're into this kind of stuff, guys, please do check out my other videos and get involved. I do read all your comments below, and even better, smash the subscribe button and the like button. And yeah, that'd be pretty dope. So we should just jump into today's quick video and just cover basically finally DD have gone away and got a HQ. It's about time. I think we've all been screaming for them to get a HQ for the last year and a half, and they've gone away and pulled the trigger. Now, I don't know if somebody can comment below in the comments, have they bought this or have they rented it? I have no idea. Because they're renovating the whole thing, I'm presuming they've bought it. I'm not too sure. But it's a great space. I mean, the previous owner who died, unfortunately, I'm presuming it got sold off. I was not expecting it to be that big of a HQ. It's pretty big. They've got a lot of space. I'm presuming maybe they could live there, because in my head I was thinking that would save them a lot of money having to stay in hotels. But then the question is, how far are they from downtown Los Angeles? I know they said they're going to be releasing the location for people to go out there. Now, if you're one of those people that's watching this video that's going to be from LA, that's going to be near the location going out to it, let me know. Does anybody know where the location is? Because I've no idea where it is in LA. So I was thinking is they were going around, you know, asking what they should do to the place and have people's input. I mean, they should have bedrooms. Why not? Like, I mean, you would save so much money from staying in Avenue and the Arts, where I'm sure that's costing them a lot of money to stay there. Like, you know, I know they're getting a discount, but like, the other thing for me is obviously the distance from where their place is to downtown LA to make content. They're going to be doing a lot of builds there. Looks like they're getting a full-time mechanic in there. They want another editor inside there. So it's all going ahead with DD, and they've been posting non-stop the last 3 or 4, 5 days. Like, it's crazy. I mean, obviously they gotta reel back in that money for that place pretty quickly. So they looks like they're going to be posting a lot of content, which I'm not going to complain. It'd be interesting to see what builds they're going to do. So let me know in the comments below, guys, what builds do you want to see them do? And you know, what do you want to see them? How do you want to see them make use of the HQ? What do you want to see them do to it? I mean, I definitely want them to utilize the space. It looks like they're getting some impact lifts inside there. And I definitely want them to, I would like them to have 2 bedrooms there. It'd be pretty cool as a living space, which I'm presuming they probably will. But overall, a great spot. I was not expecting it to be that big with the amount of rooms and having a kitchen in there as well. So yeah, it's crazy. It's going to propel them to the next level, I feel. And you know, it's definitely a great move by them. And let's see what happens going forward. I'm really looking forward to this renovation process. I really want to hope they document it really well. And it'd be very interesting to see what they tear down and how they go away, how much money they're going to put into this to re-renovating it, I suppose. So yeah, guys, just thought I'd give you this quick video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions. So until the next episode, guys, please stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.